guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego armory DIY. Here's the front of it, here's one of the sides, here's the inside. I'll take this guy out. Here's the inside, and here's the other side. Alright, let's take it apart and I'll show you how to make it. Alright, here we go. What I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to take this door frame right here and I'll show you where to put it. So you're going to want to put it about, say, right here. You can count the little nooks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the very end. You're going to want to do that. And now, you're going to want to take one of your big long pieces, and you're going to want to put it right there. And the other one, why not go ahead and do that? We'll put it like this. See, it's already come together. Now you're going to want to take all of these, and you're going to make it want to go all the way over here. Easy as that. But right before you get to the end, stop right there. And then take your little 1 by 1 piece, not the special one, put it right there. So you're gonna have about one right here, and I'll zoom you into it just a wee bit easier for you guys to see. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your big pieces. You're going to make this little cave in to make it look on the outside. Okay. And you want to keep that right there. How about we just keep that off until we get to that side. And, you know, just take 2 of your 2 by 1s and put them on top of your huge long thingies. I'm sorry, it's real hot, cold in here. I wish it's cold. Alright, now you're going to want to take, let's see here. You're going to want to take this piece there. I'm going to put it there. And that one there. Actually, let's just take there's 2 cats clawing their way in here. There you go. Now we have the extra 2 by 2 studs, if we ever need them. Let's put that right there. It's almost together. You know, it's looking pretty good. Alright, let's do this. Let's see right there, right there, and the little 1 by 1 stud right there. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this right there and take your little piece from this one and put it right in there if you can fit it. Yeah. Ow. Alright. Put some 2 by 2 studs right there. And that right there. Put this stud 2 by 1 with the little studs on the side right there, and a regular one right there. Alright, now you just fill that up. Whoops. Right there. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, just another regular 1 by 1 stud right there. Nothing special. Alright, now you do your accessories. I want to show you guys how to make something really cool I just thought of at the last second. I'm going to show you how to make this. Alright, I get the pieces, I'll be right back. Alright, here's what you're going to need right here. What you're going to need is you're going to need 5 1x4s, 2 big plates that are as big as each other, 2 of these things that I don't know the name of. You're going to need a whole lot of these, about 11 of them. One 1x1 stud piece, and one 1x1 piece. This thing that I don't know the name of, and these 2. And then what you're finally going to need is a door frame. I kept the outside things on here, so you can't, so I just know, so I don't have to put those on later. And I'll be with you in a minute, show you how to make all of this. You're going to want, okay, let me tell you what we're making. We're making a gun rack with oh my god, where is it? These 3 guns and shield. What you're going to want to need is you're going to want a 1x4 stud. These little things. You're going to want this. See that? Yeah. You're going to want this too. You know, a 1x4. 2. Nom. You're going to want that. And you're going to want this. Okay? Yeah, you got me? You feel me? Yeah. And then you're going to want this. So take this right here. Put, let's see, this right there. You're going to go ahead and put your shield on. Yeah. There you go. And now you're going to want to take this 101, put it right there. Take this guy right there, push that down a little, and you got your little gun. Right? Then you just take this one, put it about right here. Take your big one and put it right there. I'm not telling you what guns to put there. Just whatever guns you can find, put it right there. I got these all from like Lego sets, so they shouldn't be really hard to find. And I'll show you where to put it in the little house. Alright, so you're gonna want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on that 5th stud, you are going to want, let's just make it the 4th. Alright, you can put this anywhere you want to. Let me just stick it in there. Here, I put the end piece on the 4th stud. So yeah, that's actually looking really cool. So, to make this one, this gun rack, it's very simple. You just take this thing, and take 2 of these, and you just stick it on the end like this. Boom. And you can put guns on here too. Magic. I said, your gun. there. Look good. Right there. Right. It looks like we're about done here, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah. Take your 2 big pieces. Put them down like right there. Yep. There we go. Yeah. Just take, if you want to, this is just accessory. Yeah. And I found these 2 pieces off of a Lego set. So, that should be pretty good. And I'm not the judge of where you put these things. So, put the little card there. Yeah. Put a little Hobo Dave #1 there. And armed Hobo Dave right there to guard the entrance. And now they have a little place to live for the Matchbox car to come and get shot. Okay. So that's how you make this. You can go wherever you want to. You can put this anywhere. Yeah. There you go. I'll see you in a minute, in a while, with my brand new DIY Make It Yourself Lego build. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you want me to make next. I can make anything, because over here is a whole box of just Legos. Yeah. I got this guy. I got a Lego set right there I'm building. I got that pirate ship. I got guns. And then there's this guy that can now go wherever he wants to. See you guys in a while. Peace.